Take a look at this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified the Silverado 1500 as having one owner. The Silverado 1500 has just under 18,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.